Hey folks, so what I have here is dltHub. I have a pipeline, audio pipeline that I've deployed, and today it broke. It broke because I broke it on purpose. Typically you cannot really deploy broken pipelines simply because the agent won't let you. The agent will test the pipelines before you deploy them. So anyway, like I said, this one is broke on purpose. So imagine it's more like maybe the source changed, something went wrong. What I already did here was I logged in from my cursor. So I said I have this dltHub env. I copied the URL. Can you check how to init dltHub on their docs and then connect auth to this workspace? And it basically initiated everything. And then it told me I need to run some command. I said, can you run the command? Log me in. So it opened up, it ran this, it opened up my browser and it connected my session, and it already basically listed the jobs and it saw that something is broken, and it's asking me, want help pulling down the audio pipeline source or investigating the failed run? And yes, please investigate and try a fix, and let me confirm before deploying. So now it will do its thing. As you can see here, we have logs. So basically I went, because we have pipelines. Pipelines are scheduled as jobs. We have a job here. So I clicked on my audio job. And I could copy these logs and give them to Cursor, or I can just ask Cursor about them, right? Cursor now should have checked the status of the pipelines. It saw the broken one. It's trying to fix it. So as I was telling you, the agent will try to verify everything locally before deploying. It can load to a local DuckDB, whereas in production it can load to BigQuery or Snowflake or whatever. It found the problem. The problem was I broke it on purpose. Yes, I know. It already fixed it. It's letting me review it. And now it's telling me to confirm. Now it's asking me to do a manual run on Cursor, but I want to do it by hand. So let's just refresh here. And let's just do start a new run. And I think it was only taking a few seconds before. Okay, it looks like everything worked fine. Yeah, beautiful. That was all.